Welcome to this video. I got a call from a friend of mine who was trying to do a data analysis course, and this was a file that was given. We're trying to create a dashboard. So I looked into the file. I found the file has the data, and the data table is called transactions from here. So, however, I looked into the other table file, other sheet called the lookup sheet. I found out about 3 other files. The first is called the customers table. The second is called the stores table. And the third is called the products table. However, looking at the raw data, I found out we had an order ID column. I'll put a color to this now. And put this color to it. So, a field color, which is this. Now, the order ID is a unique ID for this order data. We also have a customer ID here, of which we also have a customer ID in another table here, right here in the stores, in the products, in the customer table here. It's a customer ID here, it's also the customer ID in here. Okay, so that means having the customer ID here interprets that can bring these 2 other values inside the data table. That's what I'm going to do now. I insert 2 columns in there and quickly do a VLOOKUP function to bring in the data. That is for customer ID, the customer name, and the segment. I do also for the segments, and I make it the information from the customer table. So I have these 3 information here brought in from here. Okay. Now I also have the product ID here and category and subcategory. So I make use of the category and subcategory. Now the product ID is also here. I can bring in the category and the subcategory. So I come in here and pick the heading and do a copy. I come into here and then paste it. Now I can also do a VLOOKUP again to bring in the value of the category and the subcategory from the lookup table in the products table. Okay, so I'll do a VLOOKUP. If you don't have an idea of VLOOKUP, take the time to go through the VLOOKUP video. It will help you very well. Doing the VLOOKUP now, bring the VLOOKUP to bring in the category and subcategory from this table. Okay, there it is. I also bring it here for the subcategory, change the value which is 3 because it's coming 3. There I have it. There's one other thing again you need to look at. This is the city here. It's a city name here. I also have the city here. I checked for duplicate here to be sure that everything is actually single. I checked the duplicates and there's no duplicate. So this is a unique ID for the other information we have here. So I can come in here and bring in the region. So I look into data here, I create a space right inside here, I call it region. And I also do a VLOOKUP to bring the region from the region table into that big raw data table. Okay, so I have all my information here. This was called, let me cross check again. It's actually customer name and segment, which I'm going to copy and put right on top here. And there you have it. Now, having this information, it's very easy for us to go ahead and create a dashboard that will bring out information about the customer segment, the city and the region of the customer, the product category, and the product subcategory. So kindly watch out for the next video that talks about and demonstrate how the dashboard will be created. Thank you.